Hello friends! In this video, I will guide you through how to fix AMD Timeout as a guard error in Windows 10 or 11. Go to your Start menu, click on it, then click on Device Manager, wait for it to load, and find Display Adapters to locate your graphics card. Right-click on it, click on Update Driver, then browse to find your AMD signature. Click on it and follow the prompts. After that, check if it helps. Open your browser. Type down AMD driver. Click on the first link. Scroll down, click on Download Windows Drivers. Save it. Wait for it to finish, then click on the installer. Wait for it to load, click on Yes. Follow the prompts. Click on Additional Options, click on Driver Only, Accept and Install. Click on Accept and Install. Wait for the process to finish, then close the prompt. Close it. Restart your computer, and you should be good to go. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.